crazy to see you fit 6 18-inch subs in a 6th order. So you had to do a big box to do that.
Yeah.
So your name and what's in here, man?
Nelson. It's 6 ZBX 18s on 3 MD 12Ks.
Okay.
180 amp hour C-Max lithium.
Nice.
And 1 Brand X 390. They're half ohm 12Ks. Everything's wired at half.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice work. And this was built in, not slide in.
Yeah,
looks really
built in, yeah.
Looks really good. Do you know your cubic specs on the top and bottom at all yet?
I want to say they're like 5.5 per on each side, roughly.
Okay.
So.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. That's a good idea, having a visor to block the heat. Man, you've been tearing this thing up. This is breaking apart. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I know some people that go to the junkyard 2 or 3 times a year and just change doors. I don't want.
This will be my 3rd set.
Man.
That's shrunk down too. The lower chamber shrunk.
Okay.
A cube and a half.
So you added pieces in it to shrink it?
It's been added on the inside.
Okay. Was that for SPL testing, tuning, or what?
Well, really, yeah. We wanted it closer to the same cubic airspace around.
Yeah.
So.
Nice. And your tunings on this, your peak frequency and all, sorry.
It's 25, 40.
25, okay. So adding in this,
Close.
yeah, got it.
Add in, it changes.
Okay. How did you do on the meter?
I haven't metered it with 180 amp hour. It did a 159 in the kick at 25.
Wow. Almost to 60 then, wow, okay.
Almost. Yep. There yet.
It's crazy to see you fit 6 18-inch subs in a 6th order. So you had to do a big box to do that.
Yeah. Originally I bought it to do 8, but I figured 6 would be fine.
You would have to do 4th order for 8 probably.
Or 6.5.
Yeah, 6.5. 2 up front. Have you ever considered that, putting 2 here?
I have, but at the same time, that's good structure right there. I don't want to.
Yeah.
It with holes.
Yeah. I'm gonna go look at the amps in the back. Yep.
Doors open?
Yep. Okay. Okay. Jeez, you're locked in your own vehicle. You ever been locked in? Almost?
Yeah. My handle's busted, my window's scraped up, so I can't get out.
Yeah. Wow. So these are 2 subs per amp? Okay. I think last time I heard it was 2.
Yeah, it's 2 at 2 ohms. 2 amps per, an amp per 3 subs.
Yep. Nice.
And it didn't have 180 amp hours.
No. Yeah. So you actually build these at half ohm each? Okay.
Yeah. I rised to 0.8 or half.
Did you ever gonna find out your clamp's numbers on it?
I claimed it with 2 and it was maybe with 3 of 29K.
Wow. Okay, on a burp? Nice. Awesome, man. Nice seeing you again, Nelson. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it, Nelson.
13 hertz through 20 something.
13, okay.
Knock your dreads off. My words cost T-sharp.
Okay. It'll play the lowers, but what's your like windiest low frequency peak range on that, you think?
17 or so.
17? Really? Wow. Your low peak 17, that's really too low.
Well, at least that's what I think.
Yeah. That's a good idea. USB notes for where to play for songs.
Until I get a double dip, I mean, it's just gonna have to run it like this.
I know some people will go through a USB on their computer and make a file say demo music and then move song copies to that folder.
Most of the time I'm driving it to and from work.
Shuffles? Yeah.
Sit back and relax. Miami with my motherfucking heat. Another nigga bitch, since she out of feet. I'm all in the party. I'm on my toes. Let's get party. I got a new feet. I get me new hoes every time I feel bored. I got on the road, that's something new in the road. That's smooth as gold. Nobody so broad. Skinny jeans on, with a big bang roll. She playing on my soul. I gotta take it in my dog. I'm trying to get it on. She put all over my feet down. 2 rocks don't make a roll. It just go on and on. I'm kicking shit like Jackson till they got my kicks on. I hit my target. I'm on this bitch for water.
That one gives you really good response to all the frequencies to show you how good the box is built. Yeah, man, I appreciate it, man. Nice work.
Somebody's gonna have to lift you out, though.
Yeah, man. Oh, it's a.
Everything's busted.
Yeah, there we go. Wow. Nice work, Nelson. Nice to meet you, man.